to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on creating effects will provide you with some steps to simulate environment, weather, animation, and water effects in your project. These effects provide a more realistic visualization for the user. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where you can access these different types of effects. To access effects, on the ribbon menu, click on the Effects tab. Here, you have access to different effects that are categorized into groups. Let's begin with creating environment effects, which are sun and shadow. The sun displays sunlight source on the terrain and objects that reflect the project's current date and time. The shadow displays a global shadow that affects the entire scene, including terrain, buildings, objects, and 3D models. These effects can be toggled on and off by clicking on the required effect. Next, let's create weather effects. Weather effects that are available include sky color, wind direction, wind speed, sky texture, dynamic clouds, fog, rain, and snow. These weather effects are rather straightforward. To set sky color, wind direction, or wind speed, in the environment group, click on the drop-down menu next to the required effect and select an effect. To set sky texture or dynamic clouds, in the weather group, click on the required effects down arrow to open the drop-down menu and select an effect. To set fog, rain, or snow, in the weather group, check the box next to the required effect and use the slider to adjust the intensity. Next, let's go over how to create an animation effect. Animation effects that are available in SIMmetry range from smoke, fire, explosion, or fireworks. The user also has the ability to create a custom animation that can best suit your project. To create an animation effect, in the animation group, click on the required animation and the drop-down menu is displayed. From the menu, select the desired animation. Once selected, the animation property sheet is displayed as well as a preview of the animation in the 3D window. In the 3D window, select the placement of the animation by clicking on the desired location. The user can adjust the properties of the animation through the property sheet. And finally, let's go over how to create water effects. To create a water effect, in the water group, click on the desired effect and the drop-down menu is displayed. From the menu, select the desired animation or effect. Once selected, depending on the chosen effect, the user will be directed to either place the effect or draw the polygon on the desired location in the 3D window. If drawing a polygon, just click on the required locations to place the waypoints and right-click to complete the drawing. After placement of the polygon or effect have been made, the water editor or property sheet will be displayed to make further modifications. We went over how to create different types of effects in our project. This concludes the tutorial on creating effects. For more information, refer to Chapter 15, Effects tab in SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.